N4H&H here. My daughter Rachel helped me, and we salvaged the antenna. Lost a few sections of mast, so it's not quite as high as it used to be, but it should hold. What happened was a tree limb hit one of the guy ropes, so it was actually doing just fine. Big heavy limb, I had to saw in pieces to get it off. Hit one of the guy ropes and laid across my coax feeding my fritz oil. Pulled down one of the elements of my Zeta 6 BKW, but it stayed intact. Very tough antenna. Literally the coax for the fritz oil and one side of the Zeta 6 BKW by NI4L held up the weight of a huge limb. So I'm about to go inside and try everything out. See, hopefully everything still functions, but we're operational again as far as, well, it's all, the antennas are erected again. The R5, there it is, it did fine. No guying or anything. It held up. And like I said, it wasn't the guy rope that failed, it was the limb that hit the guy rope. Dacron rope, strong, didn't break. It just pulled down the mast. So, all good. We'll get inside and try it out now. The doublet fared just fine. There's, you can maybe see that thin wire in view right there, okay? That's coming down from a tree over here. That's the doublet. So, anyway, could have been worse. Thanks for watching. This is N4H&H 73.